What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's Artistry like bam. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning back in this week. If you're new here, my name is Brandon and I'm a professional makeup artist in Chicago. So nice to meet you. And I'm here to teach you some fun things about makeup on the internet. So this week I got a package from Esum Cosmetics. They're one of my favorite pro artist brands and they have sent me a couple things in the past that I've reviewed that I absolutely love and put in my pro kit. And this week they actually sent me one of their Nuance lip palettes and I absolutely couldn't wait to get a hold of it and show you guys. So that's what we're going to be talking about this week. We're also going to be discovering some of their dual-ended pencils, their lip liners, and a makeup brush as well. So let's hop right in. So if you're not familiar with Esum Cosmetics, I actually did a couple videos a few months back featuring a few of their palettes that I really love. They're stepping it up in a whole new direction. They really cater to the artist community and really put our needs first. They actually create color stories and palettes that really work on a multitude of different skin tones, have a lot of different color stories and visions, and can work in so many different artist kit from pro, from makeup enthusiasts, to anywhere from bridal, TV special effects, to more film and industry. So they really do cater to our community and I really appreciate that. And so this week we're going to be talking about the Artistry Palette that is number 10, the Nuance palette. It looks just like this. This is a lipstick palette full of 15 creamy signature matte shades. It is really beautiful. It slides open just like all of their new signature palettes, just like this. I really love this capability because you can use this as a mixing palette or a working palette. You can also slide it right on the back, which is really cool, but I'm actually going to get a little bit closer so you guys can see what these lipsticks look like. These are their 15 signature hues, classic hues, and really beautiful shades for bridal. I'm going to put these in my kit because I know that all of my bridal clients would absolutely love this. This works so well for a multitude of different skin tones, and you can see that these colors are really vibrant and super beautiful. I'm actually going to swatch a couple of them and put them on my hand so you can see what the finishes look like and how pigmented they are, but I think that all of you artists out there would absolutely love this Artistry palette. Like I said, this is the number 10 Artistry Palette in Nuance. This is so beautiful. I can imagine that they're going to be coming out with a few other color stories and lip palettes, but this one's really beautiful. All of these individuals are magnetic and you can move them around to create your own, maybe neutrals or more shades or whatever you're looking for, but these are really beautiful and I just love the packaging. And so let's hop right into a couple of the swatches and let's talk about the shades. Before we hop into the shades, I want to show you something that I just discovered on the back. I knew that the palette was magnetic and you could move all the shades around, but on the back they're actually labeled with all of the color names. So smart, so you can see exactly what you're looking at. Let me show you. There you go. So you can see exactly what you're looking for. All the colors and shade names are right there. So if you move things around or if you need to repurchase a color, you can actually do that because you can see exactly what it is. So I'm going to swatch a couple of these colors and let's do it. So I went ahead and swatched 6 different colors just to kind of show you the formula. They're really beautiful, very creamy, very blendable, very smooth. A little bit does go a long way. They do have that creamy, long-wearing matte formula. I absolutely love these hues and shades. These are so beautiful. They also sent me 3 of their double-ended lip liners. These are great too. These come in multitude of different shades. I have a couple of these in my kit because they carry them in an eye formula as well. So they have like a black and brown, a blue and green, and a couple of different colors, but these are their lip versions. And so this is in the double-ended lip pencil in red, and then this one is in the color plum, and then this one is in the color nude. And so the nude one has a like darker chocolate brown on one side, which is so catering to a multitude of different skin tones, which looks just like this, really beautiful. And then the other side is like a really beautiful cafe caramel nude color, which would also work on so many different skin tones. So for these lip colors, you have a double-ended lip pencil to go with so many different shades to create so many different signature looks and hues with these lip colors. So the other one that I'm going to show you looks like this. This is in the color plum. This one is my personal favorite. It has this really beautiful like a dusty rose mauve nude color on this side, and then this really beautiful like rich burgundy plum on this side. So you guys can see how beautiful that is right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one really quickly just so you guys can see how creamy, beautiful, so beautiful. They glide on really nicely. They stay put. They are water resistant and transfer resistant, which I really love because once you put them on, they're on, and they're really, really bulletproof. So the next one I'm going to show you, this is the last one, I believe. This is the red version. So this is that signature classic orangey red. And then the other side, they have that really beautiful like brick wine mahogany red. So this is a really great versatile lip pencil as well. All your classic signature reds, from your classic like 1950s pinup reds to your deeper vampy reds, you have a lip liner for that as well. They also sent me a really beautiful Esum lip brush. This is the lip brush W19. This one is a synthetic lip brush. It looks just like this. This is really beautiful because this has a really beautiful rounded doe foot, so you can actually create that really nice cupid's bow shape, and then it hugs the lip really nicely around the corners as well. I love this because it's synthetic, so it's not going to absorb any of the product. You can use this with powder, wax, lip creams, sticks, pigments, any kind of makeup product that you're looking for. This is really great to use on the eyes, on the lower lash line as well, because it's more of a finer detailed brush. They just really cater to the artist community, and I love what they're doing out there. So thank you Esum for sending me these goodies. I hope that you guys learned something and loved these products, because this lip liner and these lipsticks are so gorgeous. I think that you guys would absolutely love this palette. This is so versatile and would work on so many different skin tones, and if you don't use that many different lipsticks, you could definitely use them as cream blushes as well, because they blend like a dream. So a little bit goes a long way. I just wanted to share this video with you guys. Alright, so that was our journey with the Esum Cosmetics. Thank you so much, Esum Cosmetics, for sending me all these beautiful goodies. I cannot wait to add them to my pro kit. My clients are going to be loving these, and I can't wait to spread the love of Esum to all of them. So if you guys love this video and you want to stay up to date with me, please give it a thumbs up right here. Please follow me on Artistry Like Bam on Instagram as well. I'd love to keep up to date with you guys. Send me a DM, send me a quick chat, tell me that you found this video helpful, and tag Esum as well. Send them all my love, and until next Makeup Artist Monday, guys, I'll see you next week. Thank you for watching. All right, bye.